Today we're going to learn how to draw a black cap chickadee. I see these little birds at my bird feeder every morning, so I thought you would like to learn how to draw birds. So we're going to start with a nice size oval. You know, an oval's a little longer than a circle, and then we're going to add a circle on top for the chickadee's head. This is the body, this is going to be the head. And then we're going to connect the head to the body, and then we're going to take that line and go out a little bit because this is going to be the tail. Okay, so here's the head, and we're going to connect the head and to the body again on this side for the bird's neck. And this is his tummy. And then we're going to connect this circle to this line to make a tail. So the black cap chickadee is called that because it looks like he has a cap on, like a hat. And so we're going to take this line right here and connect it over to this line to give him a hat. And then he has a little tiny beak. That's where he gets all his seeds, and so we'll give him a little tiny beak. So he comes to my bird feeder and takes a sunflower seed and pecks at it till he can open it with this little tiny beak. And then he's got a little bit of a beard here, so we're gonna give him a little beard. Okay, and he has a little tiny black eye to go where his cap is. So right behind his beak, we'll put a little circle there for his eye. He also has wings, of course, so he can fly. And so we're going to give him wings. So right here, we're halfway between the back and the tummy of the body, we're going to make a wing. See how we do this? Just pull it back like that, and we're going to put some feathers on it. Those lines make it look like it has feathers. And he has tiny little feet that he sits on a branch. So he's got to have 2 toes in front to grab onto the branch and 1 in back to hold onto the branch. So that's how we do the black cap chickadee. Now if you have crayons or markers, that you can color him in. So because he has a black cap, I'm going to take my black marker, and he's got a little black bill too. And we're going to give him a black cap right here. And there's his little eye, so we're going to put the eye in. And if you leave a little bit of white where the eye is, then it reflects light. You can see it with the black cap. Otherwise, it all goes into, you won't be able to see his eye. So there's his cap. And I'll color that in. See? And then he has that little bit of a beard. And so there's his little beard underneath. That's black also. See? And then I'm going to just take this line down and around just to trace around so you can see him, because that would be his little belly's white. And that goes back to his tail. And then here's his wings and back to his tail. And then I'm going to draw some black lines to represent his wing and his feathers. Okay, and then he has little black feet and legs. So there's his leg, and then there's a front toe and another toe, and then the back toe to hold on to the branch. So also his wing is gray. So if you have a gray crayon or just your pencil or a marker, then you can color in his wings. So there's his wings. And we're going to go like this because that shows his wing. And I'm going to put some gray on his tail too. So that's how you draw and color in the black cap chickadee. And I'm going to spell chickadee for you so you can practice this too. It's a C-H-I-C-K. That's chick. And then there's an a D, E, E. Chickadee. And the reason his name is Chickadee is because when he sings, he goes chickadee-a-dee-a-dee-a-dee-dee, chickadee-a-dee-a-dee-a-dee. So you can hear him before you see him usually because he sings that song. So you guys can try that at home. Have fun.